Hey, welcome back. It's Brad Taylor at Taylor Coach in Millgrove, Ontario. We're here to shoot another video on a 16-foot. It's a side door. We have showed a lot of rear doors and 16s. This is kind of unique a little bit that on a couple of features on the inside. Being such a small trailer, very compact, a lot of features in it. It's still 78 inches wide. Single axle. It's got a lot of great features on the outside. Your awning. It's got your stereo. It's got 4 BAL jacks on leveling jacks around it. It's double propane tanks. One for barbecuing outside. One for running your appliances inside like we do on all of our coaches. Let's take you on the inside and we'll show you what we did on the inside of this one. On the inside of this particular coach, something to mention too, that's kind of unique. The features that were picked on it, I built this trailer for my sister and brother-in-law. They started off with a little 10-footer and decided the things they wanted in their life and wanted to see in a trailer to spend more time in it and travel. They have a smaller vehicle for towing. And so after experience the 10 and the things they learned on it, loved the little 10-footer, but they needed a few more creature comfort, so this is something that they had laid out with some help from us at the same point. It's got a little smaller dinette on the front here. It's a 30-inch dinette. It will also go down into a single bed if you want it to a single bed. You have your cupboards across the front, so you have lots of storage on the front here. It has a nice sized closet here. So you've got the shelf, a couple of shelves with a closet right up above. It's got nice visibility out the front here. It has your fantastic fan, thermostatically controlled. It does have a Jensen stereo all built in it. It's all Bluetooth and that, as well as playing your CDs. And it can also play movies for the ones that are after those features in it. It has your GoPro solar system on it, so they can charge all their cell phones. It's got your USB port for charging cell phones where you can put them on the counter, and it also is running all your 12-volt appliances on the inside of the coach as well. On the counter here, they did a double sink with just a 2-burner cooktop. You can see they chose to leave the microwave out. They're not a couple that use a microwave a lot, so we've given them the option where it's framed in for a microwave, so down the road if somebody wants to add a microwave they still can, except the plug will have to come down and be plugged in the counter. It doesn't have to plug up behind. Lots of other storage on the other side here. From there, on their bathroom configuration, our last 16 where we showed it with a big bath, this has just your toilet shower combination. Turn the light on, as you can see, and it also has your duct in here because they chose to put a furnace on this particular unit as well, so the bathroom's heated too. You can see it's got a nice floor space considering the size of trailer. They've also added something they had in their smaller little 10-footer. They also chose to put in a big fridge again, so it's a 6.5. We'll turn it on. It has its light on side. It has the crispers all in it, lots of storage in it here. And this way here they can bring lots of their own fresh food and things like that, and they're not relying on having to run to the store very often. They could probably run very easily a week and a half or 2 weeks without hitting some of the grocery stores and that, unless you're just after fresh stuff. In the back here where we normally do a couch, they chose to just do a permanent bed. They've also chosen to supply their own mattress on something that they really like, and this fits a traditional 54 by 74 double bed mattress. It has a small lift top here where we made a storage compartment here for them. In the back half it has storage from the outside, so you've got a baggage door on the outside that they can put water hoses, fresh water hoses, hydro on that. They've got their furnace and their hot water heater on the other side. They also have a baggage door up on the driver's side passenger seat as well underneath the dinette. Still has the bunk at the back here, so maybe down the road if they want to have some of the grandkids come with them or anything like that, they have the option. Or it's great for putting extra blankets and pillows and stuff like that if you're going to get into a little fall camping and you want a little extra bedding as well. This particular trailer, when we put it on the scales, came in about 1833. So it's under the 2,000 pounds, so it's very towable by a lot of the vehicles that are rated for, you know, the 3,000 to 3,500 pounds makes it a really nice combination for towing out there as well. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you've got any questions on any of our coaches, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, it's Brad Taylor at Taylor Coach in Ontario, Canada. Watch for more videos down the road. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.